chance of passing at that 7th attempt was right around 3% for me
3%
at that point. It was the biggest aha moment of my entire educational career.
So you start the workshop. So I don't know, what can you say about the workshop?
I know I had every single tool to my success right there, and I was using every single tool I
But
could.
tool, I think you mean by all the different parts of the StatMed
Yes.
test taking system, right?
Yeah, every single part of that. But I just want to really tell anybody who is out there that is struggling with their test taking, with their national boards, anything like that, like, you're not alone.
Right. I really appreciate you coming on here and sharing all this stuff with us. So thank you so much, Jacob.
Thank you for helping me through this.